Good morning, students. Let us start with poem number 5, Six Honest Serving Men. The poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. Okay. Six honest serving men. I keep six honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Now the poet is saying he has kept six honest serving men, and their names are what, why, when, how, where, and who. He sends them over land and sea. He sends them east and west, and after they have worked for the poet, he gives them all a rest. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. But different folks have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who gets no rest at all. He says that he lets them rest from 9 till 5. For I am busy them, because the poet is busy that time. So he tells them to take rest, as well as breakfast, lunch, and tea, for they are hungry men. He says that he gives them breakfast, lunch, and tea because they are hungry. Different folks have different views. I know a person small. The poet says he knows a small person, and that small person is a girl. She keeps 10 million serving men who gets no rest at all. She sends them abroad on her own affairs from the second she opened her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. So she sends them, this little girl sends them abroad on her own affairs. M is them. The meaning of M is them. And since I'm abroad on her own affairs means sends them to do their work to different places. From the second she opened her eyes, she sends them abroad on her own affairs from the second she opened her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million whys. So she sends them abroad on her own affairs to do her work. And when she opens her eyes, what she finds? 1 million house, 2 million ways, and 7 million whys. Okay. Now tell me the rhyming words. Men, when. Okay. See, me. West, rest. Then, men. Small, all. And in the last paragraph, what are the rhyming words? Affairs, ways. Eyes, wise. Okay.